Okay, remember if it's day 2 of this project, then remember you are logging in using that daily link. Okay, that'll just take you and you'll log in with your information. Remember, your login information is your first name, your last name, and the year you graduate. Okay. Once you're logged into Scratch, in order to find the stuff you're working on, so if it's day 2 and you've already started working on your project, how do you find what you're already working on? So if I had, here's my assignment. I'm going to call it something. We're going to call it my last name. And then we're going to call it PNG underscore PNG bed. Okay, so make sure you put your last name, PNG bed. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click share. And you want to go down to this bottom that says add to studio. And you're going to add it to the correct studio. So this is PNG bedroom 1. That's what I'm going to add it to. And click OK. If you're in period 2, it'll say bedroom 2. But back to the original question. If I just log in today and I'm at my home screen, how do I find the project I was working on? If I come up to my name and the drop-down menu, I can go to My Stuff. And there's that Watts PNG bed. And then I just want to click on See Inside. And See Inside should take me right inside of that project where I was last working. Okay. So today's tasks, if I look at my task slide, add studio for your class. We did that. We added our thing to the studio. And remember, one more time, in order to add it to the studio, you went up to the share button. Okay, and now you can click see project page, add to studio, and you added it to that studio and hit OK. And then see inside to get back. Okay. Task 2, upload your room background. So we're going to come here to our slide. Remember yesterday we downloaded, or earlier today we downloaded that backdrop. So come over to the right hand side where the little backdrop, all the right hand bottom corner, choose a backdrop, hover, don't push anything, scroll up to the very top, upload backdrop. You're going to look in your recent files. Recent should be where it's at, or downloads, but recent, and it should be called Scratch Room Code. And open that up. That's the file you just did. So that should be your room background. Okay. Next step on our agenda is to upload our avatar and 2 outfits. So we're going to start with that task. Let's get rid of the cat. So come over to the cat sprite, click on him, click the trash can. Now our room should be empty. If you see save now on the purple bar, just go ahead and click it. Just be aware of when that word saved comes up so that you can always be saving. Okay. If you don't still have your Pixton character downloaded, go to the Pixton website, download full body. Okay. Coming back to my Scratch account. Okay. The little cat icon with the plus, hover and scroll up, upload a sprite, just like you did with the background. Okay. Recent Pixton character. Okay. With your Pixton character, please come into this word where it says sprite and delete everything in there and put your name. That's your character. Go over to the size and set the size so that your sprite looks normal in the room. I picked size 70 for mine. Okay. Now go back to your Pixton site. We're going to do this other portion right now quickly. We're going to go backwards. You're only going to go back to the outfit. So do not change the pose. Don't change the height. Just the outfit. Simply pick a different outfit for your character. Then go forward, forward, forward. Download this full body as well. So you should have 2 characters, same way, just one is in a different outfit. Okay. You're going to then come up to the word costumes on the tabs. You're going to come down to the cat, hover, scroll to the top option that says upload a costume. Come to recent. Choose your new one. Open. Okay. Next to the word costume, delete what's in the box and say costume 2. Okay. And then come back to the tab. Well, and actually click on your first costume. Delete what's in there. Put costume 1. Okay. So you've gone on both costumes. Now one should read costume 1. One should read costume 2 by typing something new in that costume text box. And now that you've finished that, you're going to come back to the word code. And that should finish up the tasks that we completed on today's slide of instructions. We added our class studio. We uploaded the room background. We downloaded our avatar. And we came up with those 2 outfits. Okay. And I think that should be everything. Okay. And we'll see you in the next video.